Hola mis amigos, we're making slow cooker coconut chicken. Here in a bowl I have 4 cloves of minced garlic, and to that I'm going to add 1/4 of a cup of brown sugar, along with 1/4 of a teaspoon of ground cloves, 1/4 of a cup of soy sauce, and 1 cup of coconut milk. And I'm just going to quickly get that all nice and mixed together. Here in my slow cooker I have 3 pounds of chicken thighs, and I am just going to pour over the coconut milk mixture. And that's all that there is to it. I am just going to go ahead and allow this to cook on low for 5 hours, and then a little bit later toward the end of the cook time I'm going to roast some Brussels sprouts to have as a side, and I'm also going to roast some shredded coconut for garnish. Slow cooker coconut chicken. Enjoy, and I'll see you at the dinner table.